You can see Rama sitting majestically on the left, and a beautiful woman has approached him and is kneeling on the floor, offering him some gifts. We can see a long cylindrical bundle at the bottom, possibly silk clothes, and a small bundle, possibly gold or coins, along with some flowers on the top. Who is this beautiful woman, and why is she trying to woo Rama? Her name is Shurpaka. She is a demoness, and she's enthralled by his good looks and wants to marry him. And you can say, demoness? She does not look like a demoness. She looks like a pretty human being, right? No, look behind this woman. This is the actual identity of Shurpaka. She is intentionally shown as ugly, and she shape-shifts into this figure to fool Rama. Interestingly, Shurpaka is referred to as Sarpakanaka in Indonesia, which means a golden snake. It is commonly held in Java and other parts of Indonesia that Sarpakanaka is not human. She was a sarpa, or a serpent, who shape-shifted into desired forms. So what does Rama do after seeing such a pretty woman kneeling before him, begging him to marry her? He does not budge. You can see him looking at Sinta with love, who's shown standing at a distance. In fact, the demoness gives a fantastic idea to Rama to get rid of his wife. She reveals her true identity, and she tells Rama that she can eat Sita so he can become single again, and then he would become free to travel with the demoness all over the beautiful forest. But Rama would never even look at another female other than his wife. Sita watches everything from a distance but does not even bother to come closer because she has complete confidence in Rama. He would never cheat on her. And she hears the entire conversation between Rama and Shurpaka, but she is shown smiling, almost laughing at the stupidity of Shurpaka. You can see the scornful look on Sita's face. More importantly, Rama would never be tempted by such baits of Maya or illusion. Think about it. If the roles were reversed, would Sita be tempted by Maya? Remember this. Now, Shurpaka even tries to hook up with Rama's brother after Rama rejects her. She is truly infatuated by the looks of these two brothers. What happens after the demoness repeatedly tells Rama and his brother that she will eat Sita? Lakshmana cuts off the nose of the demoness and she runs away. This is an important scene, but this is not carved in this temple. Even though Shurpaka clearly crosses a line and insults them, does she deserve her nose to be chopped off? It would be very hard to justify this act of harming an infatuated woman. This is probably why this scene was not carved. Perhaps Lakshmana felt guilty for chopping her nose off. He could have probably driven her away without physically harming her. You can see Lakshmana with a guilty face and Rama consoling his brother. But what's happening here? You can see Shurpaka and her demon form kneeling before another figure, crying. And you can see that this person is visibly angry. Who is he? Why is she crying before him? This is Ravana, Yes, the antagonist, the main villain of this entire story. He is the king of all demons. And remember the very first carving of Ramayana? Remember how everyone went to the heaven and begged Vishnu to come to earth and save them from a cruel king? That cruel king is this guy, and he is the brother of Shurpaka, who's sitting noseless and crying to him. What would you do if you were in Ravana's shoes? What would you do if your sister came to you with a chopped off nose? I will bet you any brother would react angrily and would want vengeance. So, what is Ravana going to do now? Will he go and fight with Rama and Lakshmana? No, he's hatching a very devious plan. Meanwhile, in the forest, Sita has spotted a brilliant golden deer and is absolutely enamored by it. She wants Rama to go and bring that elusive deer, which keeps moving further and further away. Rama is very suspicious of this golden deer. It not only seems elusive, but it also appears elusive. But Sinta is adamant, so Rama decides to leave his brother at home to protect his wife and starts to pursue this golden deer. And he enters a magic land of illusions. It appears to be a forest with plants and animals and a beautiful waterfall. But look carefully. Water is coming through these two pipes. This is an artificial forest created with Maya and filled with illusions. Look how this plant is growing out of a large rectangular pot. What about this?